Hi everyone, good morning. The topic for today is lens speed. Now you must have heard of people talking about fast lenses and slow lenses. They are referring to the lens speed. So let's take an example of what is a fast lens and a slow lens. So let us consider a 50mm f1.4 and another lens 50mm f2.8. 51.4 tells us that the maximum opening within the lens is 50 divided by 1.4, or that is 35.7 millimeters. If you consider the 52.8, then the maximum opening within the lens is 50 divided by 2.8 is 17.8 millimeters. Obviously, the 1.4 will allow much more light to go in. Let's take another example. Let's take a 400 2.8 against the 400 5.6. 400 2.8 would relate to a maximum lens opening of 142.8 millimeters. How do I get that? 400 divided by 2.8. The other lens 400 5.6, that equates to the maximum lens opening of 71.4 millimeters. Again 400 divided by 5.6. So the 2.8 400 millimeter lens will definitely allow more light to get in. So what's the advantage of allowing more light to get in? Well, first and foremost, the autofocus will be faster. Of course, autofocus also depends on your body, camera body, but autofocus will be faster. Second, autofocus can be more accurate because more light is falling onto the autofocus sensor. And third, it allows us to use faster shutter speeds without resorting to increasing the ISO. Increasing the ISO, as we all know, can create more digital noise. And you can also use this without using your flash. That means using a fast lens avoids flash usage. Now, what are the disadvantages? The disadvantages are that fast lenses are very expensive and they are also very heavy. Do we always need fast lenses? No, not at all. If you are photographing landscapes, for example, and landscapes are generally shot at f11, f16, you don't require a fast lens. Even if your lens is fast, you are going to stop it down to 11 or 16. So it doesn't make sense to purchase the fast lens for landscapes. So this way you have to rationalize the lens speed when you buy your lens. Okay, next time when we meet, we'll take another very important question. Bye for now.